Here we'll discuss how to backup and restore data to the app. Tap on the settings icon and then backup and restore. Now you can go ahead and tap the save button to make your own backup files. You can email to yourself or they save to the device. And then you can always, if you need to restore data, tap on restore, select device, and choose the user backup folder where those files will be stored. I also have the app make an auto backup file on a daily basis. And so you can always go back if you delete data by mistake or something happens to the app, you can go ahead and restore an auto backup file. Those are made directly on the device though. So to help out in the case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged, it's important that you choose one of the cloud options. You can sign up for Dropbox and enable that. If you have an iOS device, iCloud's available if you've enabled it for your device. And also there's a Google Drive for Android devices. What this means is that when you save a backup for your device, it'll save it to the cloud as well. Same thing for the auto backup folders. Also, if you go ahead and move on to a new device, you'll have access to your backups on the cloud so you can easily restore your data on your new device. And as you can see, you can also delete, if the auto backups, after a while you'll have a lot of files, just simply select where you want to delete them, auto backup, and you can just simply delete the files there. If you do use multiple devices, there's a way to sync between devices. It's not a real-time sync, but let's say you're using an iPhone and now you want to switch to an iPad device. What you can do, as long as you've enabled one of the two cloud options, on the device that you're going to stop using, you're going to go ahead and tap Sync To, and then sync to the cloud. That'll take a second. And then on your second device, you're going to want to select Sync From, and that'll sync the data from the cloud. Dropbox works pretty much instantaneously. iCloud sometimes takes a minute or two for the file to be available. So I would suggest once you sync to iCloud on your first device, wait a minute or two, and then go ahead on your second device and hit Sync From. But keep in mind, if you every time you switch devices, you're going to have to go through that process because the app doesn't require real-time networking, and so you can work with the app offline. So there's no way for it to sync directly online all the time. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to email me. But please do have a cloud option enabled there, and you can even go ahead and verify that the files are making daily backups, so you know your data is safe. Thank you.